What's goody beauties? I'm Kiara Ianna. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I transform my white leather headboard into this charcoal boucle fabric. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe throughout this video, and I hope you all enjoy. Alright, so this is what I'm starting with. This is the fabric that I'll be using. I ordered 4 yards. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it's really like a warm, fluffy looking fabric. This fabric is called Bouclé and it comes in black and gray. It's only $14.99 on Etsy. I'm gonna leave the link to that store below. As you guys can probably tell, the aesthetic of my room is dark gray, black, and white, so I felt like this fabric would really just top it off. And I will also drop in my inspirations to why I chose this fabric. But I just love how warm it looks. I'm gonna try to do this really nice and professionally looking with just this and my staple gun, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start with the headboard part of my bed, just in case I run out of fabric or something. So first, I'm just measuring how much of the fabric I'm going to use, and then I'm just going to cut it out and start the staple gun process. Dior! So now my fabric is all cut. That took forever because my scissors were terrible and my shears were even worse. So I'm going to go ahead and try to wrap the headboard with this using my staple gun from Home Depot. It's the Arrow brand, and it's specifically for crafts, upholstery, and decorating. So that's why I got this one. And also, I got these different types of staples. The ones that I got were the 5/16, so the 8mm ones. I just felt like these would be long enough to go into my bed. I'm gonna cross our fingers that this does what it needs to do. Stop working. I'm using a knife to cut the fabric. I measured the size and now I'm just cutting it. Do not judge me in the comments, y'all. Just understand that sometimes you have to be resourceful. And to be honest, the knife works way better than any pair of scissors could ever. Alright, so now we are working on the side. Dior, you woke up from your nap and you acting bad already. Can I have? All right. You're gonna take both of them, and you're just gonna begin stapling the fabric to the inside of the headboard. Dior, I love this staple gun because it's really easy to refill. It doesn't come with the refillings, but it's really easy to refill. You just pull this out like so, and then you just put them in this part of it, and you just close it back. Well, because I didn't put them in there. But yeah, boom, there we go. Okay, then we keep going. Boy, don't you know you can't stay, man? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. I'm gonna fold the fabric underneath, like so, as tight as I can, and just do the same thing to the inside. Hey, hey. I ain't gonna cry, no.
you to stay. If you're determined to leave.
Both sides are done. The headboard is done. And now the side of the baseboard needs to be done. So there's a lack of connection right here. In order to just make that look nice and seamless, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and fold it inward like that. And I'm just gonna put it there like that. I'm not gonna do it just yet. That's gonna be the last one that I do. And yeah, so that's gonna stay there. And I'm just gonna go ahead with the main part.
No.